Hi, I will show you how to use Fetch XML in bulk detection. Here we have one duplicate rule that works on contacts entity and last name field. As we can see, there is more than 200 records in this bulk detection. Now let's create advanced search. In this case, I want only contacts which last name starts with E, G, and F. I will download this Fetch XML and copy so I can use it in my rule. Then I will go to Filtering section in my rule and choose for Source Entity Filter Fetch XML and paste it there. I will do the same for the Target Entity Filter. Now click on Save to update the rule, and after it is saved, I will go and run bulk detection again. I will choose Foreground option and let it scan the system. Now only records that will be available for the bulk detection are the ones that meet Fetch XML criteria. You will get here report of all duplicates.